is Record-ology.
So I happen to be in the neighborhood here in Houston, checking out cactus music based on recommendations here locally and on the channel. Very excited to do so because this apparently is the place to get records in Houston. Unfortunately, it is not open yet here Sunday morning about 10:30 local time. And as you can see, it's not yet open, which is a major bummer. But thought I would document it anyway. So here is cactus music. It looks very cool. I would love to get in there and see. I got some cool looking stuff. I would love to be in there and shop, but not gonna happen. Who knows if I'll have a chance to make it back out here. Wow, look at this stop sign. Even the stop sign has got a lot of artwork on it, but thought we would check it out anyway. I'm trying to do videos for, they call it Vlogtober. It's kind of like Vlogmas, so you do a daily video or something. So either I'll be doing a live, a short, a video, some kind of content every day this month. And it may be short, it may be long. Hard to say. Kind of an interesting area. If you look down there, there's like this pedestrian mall area down here. This is sort of on the southeast. Is it southeast? No, I guess it'd be southwest side of Houston. So was in the area, thought we would check it out. Unfortunately, not open. So that's all right. You win some, you lose some. Was still really happy to find that other place. So that was cool. Stopped by a Target. Thought we would check out their vinyl selection. Pretty typical, but always interesting to see what they got. This mall is cool. It's got interesting stuff, including a hockey rink, an ice rink, full size right here in the mall. It's not something we see every day. And now up to this very interesting place called Space City Audio. Based on the pictures, I noticed it was going to be more of an audiophile demo shop, more so than a music store. At least I thought so, but I was very happily surprised with how much music there really was, as you will soon see. So this is sort of the picture I saw online, but there was a lot of nooks and crannies, a lot of cassette tapes, there was a lot of CDs, and look at the Scotch tapes up there. I'm happy the price I paid compared to that. That being said, this is a really cool shop. It was definitely focused on the audiophile versus the entry level when it came to equipment. As you can see here, we're going to see some beautiful high-end turntables and speaker systems, all of which were playing and being utilized for some amazing music experiences. That's why I had to do this voiceover after the fact. I tried to get away with it by talking over it as I was filming, but YouTube was like, nope, not enough. You can't do that. So I had to go back and retake it here with the voiceover. I always prefer on-location audio over the voiceover, but sometimes it can't be prevented. Now, you will notice here, these are only $1. So I was really surprised how much value music they had, even though the equipment was super high-end. But the prices, even on the equipment, weren't that bad, because I overheard this guy showing somebody some turntables in the $200 range. I'm like, that is not that bad. And there's some pretty decent stuff. And it was super cool to see some historic records like this, to see and hear some music that was, you know, pretty high-end, mixed in with stuff that was entry-level. I didn't end up buying anything, which surprised me, but it was a really cool chance to see some of these high-end audiophile sound systems, like you can see here in this showroom of theirs. And I had a blast just checking it out. It was a very fun vibe, a small town, Spring, Texas, north of Houston, kind of northwest of Houston. It was a blast, kind of following up on what we were talking about yesterday. Some of their music was alphabetized and easy to search through. The value stuff, it was just kind of like good luck, which can be fun if you have time and you have an inclination just to kind of dig. That's true. Crate digging. What are you going to find? They had a lot of these box sets. I always love the RCA pressed box sets for Reader's Digest because it's a great value, a great amount of music for the buck. You get a lot for your money, which is really cool. And here, just flipping through some random records so you guys could see this. I didn't have a whole lot of time, so I tried to make it fairly quick, but still show some variety. They had metal, they had country, they had rap, they had classical, quite a bit of classical. They had some fantastic turntables. I think that's a Riga up there. So when I was in that music shop, they were playing this song that was really good. I actually asked the guy, I'm like, what are you playing? Because he was demoing some like $100,000 speakers to somebody. It was Joe Bonamassa, High Water Everywhere. It was a live from Royal Albert Hall. Saved that instantly as soon as I walked out of there on my playlist, because that was, it was good. It sounded really, really good. I wonder what it's going to sound like on my level of equipment versus his level of equipment. But in case you were wondering, that's what it was. And finishing off the evening with a little bit of baseball. This is the Mets versus the Braves. All right, guys, thanks for watching kind of a weird little video. Happy record hunting. We'll see you tomorrow.